skipping the usual greetings because who wants the same old intro when you're about to hear if Kringle Heaven garland is the Christmas decoration you actually need or just another sad string of plastic? What is Kringle Heaven garland? Kringle Heaven sells artificial cedar garlands promising ultra-realistic, lush holiday vibes with eco-friendly, recyclable materials. They're 6 feet long, durable, flexible, and are supposed to bring that warm, cozy Christmas look to your mantel or door. The website boasts a 90-day money-back guarantee because, apparently, even fake pine needs to earn your trust these days. The reality check. Buyer beware. The website is extremely new, October 2025 launch, and outside the polished site, real customer reviews are basically ghost sightings. No Trustpilot presence, no Reddit buzz, and no actual user-submitted photos beyond generic stock stuff on social media ads. And since no credible user photos exist, it's impossible to know what buyers are actually receiving, if they're receiving anything at all. So if you expect cedar-scented, holiday cheer-inducing greenery, you might be in for a bare twig surprise. The brisk, brutal verdict: is Kringle Heaven garland a festive godsend or a gift-wrapped gamble? At this point, it leans toward the latter. Too new to prove its worth, and the massive discounts feel like holiday marketing smoke and mirrors. If you want true pine fragrance and fluff, hit a local nursery or a trusted retailer. If you want cheap online holiday bling, it's a toss-up that might end up in the regift or recycle pile. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you want honest, brutally real reviews about holiday decor and more.